Industry 4.0 is going to merge IT, information technology, with manufacturing. Those IT folks are going to find themselves on that factory floor. They're going to be working on networking. They're going to be working on communication between the devices, whether it's a PLC talking to another PLC or a smart sensor talking to the PLC. But all of that information has to be contained, has to be secure. Presently in a lot of companies, it's not secure. It wouldn't take too much and someone could come in, make changes to a process that's going on in a factory, where Industry 4.0 wants to kind of move that up. So you're going to see a lot of changes with robot coordination. We talk about robots being an engineer using that robot and how it should be used, but we have to have coordination too, because there's going to be multiple robots there. You're going to see user interface, something you don't talk about on the production floor. You do talk about that in some softwares, but not on the production floor. The user interaction, because we're going to be interacting with the automation more and with the smart sensors. The growth is just huge. Yeah, there's going to be some jobs that get moved around, but there's going to be a lot more jobs opening up just within the industry.